shores I hold so dear. Onde blu dell'estate, portami via con te, sulla costa infinita, dove il cuore si perde. Every wave writes a story on these ancient shores, breaking time into pieces on the ocean floor. And I'm finding myself in the rhythm of the sea. Every wave writes a story, and the story is me. In the pulse of the water, making peace with how. Standing where the water meets the sand, time moves slow in this ancient land. You said we'd find ourselves right here, where blue meets blue, crystal clear, like a pulse that never fades. Through centuries of summer days, everything returns to you. Waves keep coming home, again and again they roll, finding their way back to shore. The waves keep coming home once more. Solitaire dances on my skin, reminds me where we've always been, between the mountains and the blue. Every return feels brand new. Take me back, where the currents roll away. To where we promised we would stay.